Drones are a fun but expensive and time-consuming hobby. Learning how to fly a drone and follow all necessary regulations can be a time-consuming venture. If you're willing to put in the work, there are a ton of drones on the market. To help you pick the best one for your needs, we did the work for you and found the top drones. Whether you're sticking to a budget or looking to launch your TikTok career, the best drones in 2024 will let you capture some rare majestic views to wow your friends and family. If you're a professional, having a drone can help enhance your work with aerial shots. It doesn't have to be a huge investment either, because good drones don't cost a lot, and you can get quite a few camera drone models for less than $500. The market is flooded with drone options today. You get various combinations of features, video quality, and prices. There are options that suit every drone enthusiast regardless of your budget. Whether you want a drone only for the thrill of the flight, or to add some flair to your photo and video work with drone photography, we've got some recommendations. Our picks of the best drones on the market include the top options for beginners, intermediate users, and prosumer enthusiasts. We've also included an introductory drone for folks interested in racing, a whole scene unto itself. To help you pick the best drone for you, we've also included a more in-depth buying guide and FAQ on the best drones below, as well as the key factors to consider before you buy. We'll update this list periodically. We have listed the best DJI drone 2024, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. DJI Avatar. The DJI Avatar represents a significant leap in drone technology, combining advanced features with user-friendly design to cater to both novice and experienced pilots alike. This compact and agile drone is designed for immersive flight experiences, particularly in the realm of first-person view, FPV flying. With its lightweight construction and robust build quality, the Avatar is engineered to withstand the rigors of aerial adventures while maintaining excellent maneuverability. One of the standout features of the DJI Avatar is its 4K camera, which captures stunningly detailed footage at up to 60 frames per second, allowing users to create cinematic quality videos with ease. The drone's capabilities extend beyond standard shooting with the ability to shoot in HDR, ensuring that both bright and dark areas of your frame are well represented. Additionally, the Avatar boasts a wide field of view, giving creators expansive perspectives and dynamic shots that enhance storytelling. The DJI Avatar also comes equipped with advanced stabilization technology, ensuring that your footage remains smooth and steady, even during high-speed maneuvers. This is particularly beneficial for FPV pilots who want to capture fast-paced action without the jitters. The drone's intuitive controls and responsive handling make it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features appeal to seasoned drone enthusiasts. Another highlight is the extended flight time, giving users the freedom to explore and capture more footage without constantly worrying about battery life. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a remarkable addition to DJI's lineup of compact drones, designed to cater to both novice pilots and seasoned aerial enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this lightweight drone is incredibly portable, making it easy to carry on any adventure. The Mini 2 SE boasts an impressive camera system capable of capturing stunning 12-megapixel photos and 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every moment is immortalized in high quality. Equipped with a robust OcuSync technology, the Mini 2 SE offers an impressive transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing users to explore further without losing connection. The drone's battery life is another standout feature, providing up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time capturing breathtaking aerial shots without the constant worry of needing to recharge. The Mini 2 SE also features several intelligent flight modes, including quick shots, which allow users to easily create cinematic footage with just a few taps. With modes like Droney, Circle, and Helix, the drone can automatically perform complex maneuvers, making it easier than ever to produce professional-looking videos. Safety is a priority in the design of the Mini 2 SE, which comes equipped with advanced features such as GPS-based positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of compact drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features that cater to both beginners and seasoned aerial enthusiasts. Weighing in at under 250 grams, the Mini 3 is incredibly lightweight, making it one of the most portable drones on the market. This diminutive design not only simplifies transportation, but also allows it to skirt many regulatory requirements that heavier drones face. Equipped with an impressive camera that boasts a 1.3-inch sensor, the Mini 3 captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. ensuring that every detail of your aerial adventures is recorded in vibrant clarity. Additionally, it offers 48 megapixel still photos, giving users the ability to capture breathtaking landscapes and intricate details from the sky. The innovative design includes a gimbal for enhanced stability, resulting in smooth footage even in windy conditions. The Mini 3 also introduces advanced features such as automated shooting modes, including quick shots and focus track, which enable users to effortlessly create cinematic shots with just a few taps on the screen. The drone's intelligent flight modes, such as active track and point of interest, allow it to follow subjects or circle around them, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic footage without needing extensive piloting skills. Battery life is another standout aspect of the Mini 3, offering up to 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 represents a significant leap in drone technology, enhancing the flying experience for both amateur and professional pilots alike. With an impressive dual-camera system, the Air 3 allows users to switch seamlessly between a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, providing unparalleled versatility for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a larger sensor, the Air 3 excels in low-light conditions, producing crisp, vibrant images even during dusk or dawn. The addition of 4K video at 60 frames per second ensures that every moment is captured with remarkable clarity and fluidity. Furthermore, the drone boasts an extended flight time, allowing for longer sessions in the air without the constant need to recharge or swap batteries. In terms of usability, DJI has integrated advanced obstacle avoidance technology, making the Air 3 safer to fly in complex environments. This feature, combined with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and Waypoint navigation, makes it easy for users to capture dynamic shots without needing extensive piloting skills. The DJI Air 3 also shines in connectivity, offering seamless integration with the DJI Fly app. This app provides real-time monitoring, access to editing tools, and the ability to share your creations instantly on social media platforms. With its sleek design, robust build quality, and innovative features, the DJI Air 3 stands out as a top contender in the drone market, catering to a wide range of users looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography to new heights. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a remarkable advancement in the realm of aerial photography and videography, setting new standards for drone performance and capabilities. This cutting-edge drone boasts an impressive dual-camera system, featuring a large 4.3 CMOS sensor that allows for stunning 20 megapixel still images and 5.1K video recording at 50 frames per second. This means users can capture breathtaking visuals with exceptional detail and clarity, whether they're soaring over a scenic landscape or filming dynamic action sequences. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its enhanced flight time, which extends up to an astonishing 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life empowers users to explore vast areas without the constant worry of needing to land and recharge. Additionally, its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology ensures a safer flying experience, allowing for smooth navigation around obstacles in various environments. The drone is also equipped with advanced intelligent flight modes, including focus track, which allows users to automatically track subjects with precision. Whether you're filming a moving vehicle or capturing the playful antics of pets, the Mavic 3 Pro makes it easy to achieve professional-grade footage with minimal effort. Furthermore, the Mavic 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it highly portable, allowing users to take it on their adventures without sacrificing space. With the ability to shoot in various conditions, including low-light environments, the Mavic 3 Pro is an ideal companion for both amateur enthusiasts and professional content creators alike. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a significant evolution in the realm of compact drones, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features that cater to both novice and experienced pilots alike. This drone is designed to enhance aerial photography and videography without the bulk and weight associated with many professional-grade drones. Weighing in at under 250 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is lightweight and portable, making it an ideal companion for travel enthusiasts and adventurers who want to capture breathtaking views from above without the hassle of heavy equipment. Its small size does not compromise its capabilities. Equipped with a powerful camera, it boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that allows users to shoot stunning 48 megapixel stills and 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. This level of detail and clarity ensures that even the most intricate landscapes and dynamic action shots are captured beautifully. The Mini 4 Pro also features enhanced obstacle sensing capabilities, with sensors on all sides that provide a 360-degree field of view. This makes flying in complex environments safer and more intuitive, allowing users to focus on capturing their shots rather than worrying about potential collisions. The advanced return to home (RTH) feature ensures that the drone can safely navigate back to its launch point, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro is equipped with impressive flight time, offering up to 34 minutes on a single charge, which is particularly advantageous for those longer shooting sessions.